Hello students, today we are going to discuss about accounting standard under theory base of accounting. What are accounting standard? The standard which are followed while preparing an accounting, because it is rules and regulation which are followed legally. That means it is created by law, a code of conduct that has to be compiled with. So these are written statements because we have to follow while preparing an account. It is a code of conduct imposed on accountant by the law. Means it is legally imposed by law that every accountant has to follow this accounting standard, because on this basis we have to prepare financial statement and financial accounts as well. So if the accounting standards are not there, then we cannot prepare financial statements very accurately and perfectly. So what are the objectives? Because these are the policies and the procedure that has to be followed while preparing financial statement. So what are the objectives? First, ensure uniformity in preparation and presentation of final account, because whenever accounting standard are followed by an accountant, this is uniform, that it is applicable to all kind of organization, wherever it is applicable, because whenever we have to prepare financial account, presentation of final account, we have to use the uniform accounting standard that has to be followed everywhere. Second one is provide information to the user, because the accounting standard well gives us that kind of information which is necessary for the user, because on this information basis every investor is liable to invest into the company. Third one is to remove effects of diverse policies, because whenever we are preparing an account, we follow different policies. So we have to avoid that kind of policy. Rather, in different policy, we have to follow the that accounting standard which is legally protected. Fourth is to ensure consistency and transparency. Whenever we have to prepare the account, we follow the rules and regulation consistently year after year. For example, there is a method of depreciation written down on straight line. Fifth is to improve reliability and credibility. We have to follow the accounting standard. Accounting standards are very reliable, that should be comparable with every year basis. And sixth is reduce chances of manipulation and fraud. Whenever we have to follow the accounting standard, we come to know about if there is manipulation, we have to accurate it, we have to correct it, and frauds has to be eliminated. Next is helpful to the auditor, because if the financial statement is prepared accurately, then it will be helpful to the auditor, it will be helpful to the accountant, so that they can prepare the statement very accurately. Now, what are the limitations of accounting standard? First, restrictive initiative, because every accounting standard we have to follow very restrictive way, because there are some rules and regulation that has to be followed. It is mandatory that we have to follow that rules and regulations, so that is why it is restrictive. Second is rigid in nature. Rigid in nature means we cannot change any accounting standard, policy, procedure, rules, laws which are created by the Indian accounting standard, so that is why it is rigid. Third is based on historical cost, because whenever we purchase any assets, we record in the balance sheet on historical basis, and we would not consider the market value of that cost. And fourth is obstruct the judgment of auditor, because every person has different judgment about the financial statement. So same like auditor has separate views, separate conclusion also. So that is why we have some problem relating to judgment of accounting standard or auditors. So these are about the accounting standard, and this is the meaning, limitation, and objectives. So now you have to prepare these notes and send it to me.